Alright, so I was successful getting the red one running. Let's see if we can go 2 for 2 and pull this green one apart. See if we can't get it running too. Look at all the dirt that's in here. Let's see if I can do this one-handed without dropping my camera. Drum looks okay, not damaged. Yeehaw! So a recap on this one, you can pull it all day long and it won't start. It won't pull fuel. It won't pull gas, but if you stick a little gas down the throat, ooh. Ooh, I think I know what the problem is already. That gas smells pretty bad. But if we take a little bit of our starter, shoot some goo in there, some flammable stuff, it runs and dies. Just you know. So like the other one, we can rule out spark plug. Everything works, but I think that carb is all full of crud. It's not pulling any fuel. Now this one I fixed already once for before because it couldn't keep up the fuel. There was a diaphragm and a gasket that was gone. But, let's see if we can tear this thing apart. Let's see if it got gas in it. Oh, it's got gas. Oh my lord. Whew. Smell that. Whew. It smells about a vintage of 5 or 6 years. Disgusting. So I want to pull that carb off of there. So the tank comes off with the carb on this old Briggs. So we've got to take. I'm going to take that off. So what's cool about this lawnmower is it has a throttle control, which is this guy right here. So you can actually control the throttle on that one. If you're looking right here, you can encourage it to open it up more. This is like a one-off base model, this one. Okay, what else do I want to take? Gotta come off. Take those off. That is too big. Well, that won't fit on this one. That is a little bigger. Okay. You can see what I'm doing. There we go. That's the right side. Okay. So the camera's been in my way. Like that. Maybe. What was that? Oh, spacer. Okay. And then I'm gonna take that off there. Gasket. Just like that. Easy peasy, banana squeezy. Whew, oh boy. If only you could smell that. I gotta get a container and dump this thing out. Yeah. Alright, let's dump this stuff out of here. See what kind of colors we got. Ooh. Ooh, that is nasty. That's like orange. That's orange. Orange. Oh, and if only you could smell that. Oh my god. That is disgusting. I'm gonna go throw this outside. Oh, I just saw a rabbit run by. Let's see, I just saw a rabbit run outside. Where you at, buddy? Oh, in the backyard. Hey, you can see him back there. God, I got a whole pile of rabbits around here this year. It's crazy. It's like there's no lynx to eat them. Okay, back on focus here. Squirrel brain. Alright, back on focus. Squirrel brain. Oh, that is... What? What is in that? Oh, I think there's lots of water in this gas. Let that set up. Let it see if it can pool there. Disgusting. Oh, if only you guys could smell this stuff. But actually, you know what? It smells more like water than it does gas. Okay, let's... what do I want to do here? Yeah, might as well take those off. Pull the carb off of here. These carbs are pretty simple. Not really a whole lot to them. Not really a whole lot that can go wrong with them either. And actually, I think if you buy one of these, if you buy a carb, it comes with a gas tank, I think. Okay, here we go. Now, doesn't look too bad actually. Being plastic, it doesn't really corrode. So that was the gasket I had to change a couple years ago, was this guy here. Get it off without mangling it. Ah, there we go. Good. There's definitely crop in there, floating around in there. Oh my god. Oh god, does it ever smell bad. Yeah, look at all the crud in that little screen on the bottom. Yuck. Oh, this is so nasty in there. Oh, if only you could see inside that tank. Looking a little funky. Well, actually it doesn't look too bad. A little bit of corrosion in there. Alright. Okay, I'm going to spend some time cleaning all this up. I don't think you need to watch me do that, right? Alright, so I got the gas tank clean. It's looking considerably better. I was looking at this carb, and the suction tube is completely plugged off with stuff. See this? That is no good. So this right here is probably why it wasn't running. It wasn't pulling any fuel, because this screen is completely plugged up. So these things are kind of cool. They use engine vacuum coming through here, and it pulsates, and it pumps. And it pumps it up into this chamber. So it sucks the fuel from this chamber that goes all the way to the bottom of the tank, sucks it up, deposits it in this, and this right here, this little, cavity right here is where this does not go to the bottom. It only goes that deep. So the engine pulls all the fuel that it needs out of this little cavity right here, because it pumps it from here into here and then from here up into the engine. Why they did it like that, I don't know. Very strange, but it works. Ye old Briggs and Stratton. So I'm gonna spend some time cleaning this carb off. You gotta be careful, plastic. Everything in this world is plastic nowadays. I don't really want to put it in my solvent tank because I think the little bulb here. Yeah. No. Huh. I couldn't get it to pump before, and now it is pumping. Good. Okay. Okay, I'm going to clean this up. Alright. That looks much, much better on there. Nice and clean. Okay. So this is the gasket that I replaced last time, and it worked good. I think what the problem was with this machine is it wasn't gas. It was a tank full of water. Put that back on there. And that's pretty much it. These have to be the simplest carbs to work on. And it's carb bolted to the tank. And even to put it on the engine, it's just an O-ring tube. So, are we missing anything? No, but what I'd like to do is I'd like to see if I can get most of that solvent out of there. Really clean out that gas tank. So I think what it was is I think this may have been stored outside and got a little bit of snow in it, because that gas looks pretty nasty. I think that's more water than anything, really. Disgusting. Ew. Excuse me. Oh boy, excuse me again. Okay. Alright, let's put her back on there. Okay. Here we go. Clean this off here. That's the governor. Governor. Oh, governor. Crap. I hope they can see more than just the back of my head. Yeah. Ah. All right. Quick zap, zappity zap, and then oh yeah, 7/16. Yeah, you can only see my back. I know. Terrible. I know. I'll sit down so you can see what I'm doing. That tube back on there. Crank vent tube and the throttle. So all the way forward, and all the way back, right? Ah, what a stupid video. Can't even see what I'm doing. Can you even see what I'm doing? Yeah, you can. So here's your adjustable throttle. So you want it like that, and pull it. No, you want it all the way back. So when I push it, it goes like that. Okay. So we got an adjustable throttle on this one, which most lawnmowers don't have. We got this handle here, and that handle actuates that throttle right there, which it's not really a throttle. It just more or less puts a little more spring tension on the governor arm here and allows the RPM to rev up just a little bit more. Yeah. Can't remember which is which. I think forward is all the way go. But get some new juice. Throw some new juice in there, and yeah, I had to go get some more of the expensive stuff. You can see the tub out there. Yeah, it's getting expensive, but you need it. All right. Oh God, I'm making a mess. I'm spilling it. My clear gold. Oh! Oh, that gas tank is so small. Whoops. Well, now it'll be really exciting if it doesn't backfire. Sparks go everywhere and she catches on fire. This could go outside. Yeah. Should probably clean that gas off of there. Well, just in case. Okay, so before I couldn't, it wouldn't prime. I'd push the little bubble and it would stay, the little priming bulb would stay in. And I think that's because that tube was completely plugged up at the bottom. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's sucking now. Okay, hedge your bets. Think it's gonna go? Think it's gonna go? You think it's gonna stay running? I think so. Are we all zoomed out here? This camera's kind of terrible. That. Okay, here we go. I think it'll be just fine. I think it'll run just fine. Yeah, baby! 2 for 2! Ow! Alright, ain't complaining about that. That's 2 for 2, baby. Easy job, easy job. I think it was just the gas tank was full of water. I don't think there was any gas in it. Yeah, let's have a look at this stuff too. That is what came out of the tank. That is some pretty funky stuff. Look at all that. There's a little bit of gas. Oh, you can't even see what I'm looking at. There's a little bit of gas in there, but it is mostly water. Look at all the dirt that came out of that too. How do you get sand in your lawnmower? Gas tank. Look at that. That looks like beach sand. Disgusting. Okay. Well, there's a win. There's another crappy video on a lawnmower. But, you know, making videos. Hey. Alright. Later. Gotta make another dune buggy video. I know, it's coming.